Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Flymic universal car headrest hooks. So these are super cool. They're an easy addition to your vehicle to help keep things more organized and easier to work with. You can hang grocery bags on these, purses, things like that. So let's unbox this and see what's in here. All right, so it comes with 4 headrest hooks. They're very simple to use. I'll show you in a second how you install them, but really you're just gonna slide your headrest out. The headrest will slide down through the center of that hole there, and then they'll be on the back of your seat, which you can easily hang things on. Why don't we get these installed and try them out? All right guys, these are super easy to install. I'll show you here quick. You're gonna want to take your headrest and just slide it out the entire way. Take your headrest hooks, slide it up on the bars, and then just slide your headrest back in. So very simple. They're pretty discreet, not that noticeable, but super handy because instead of laying your grocery bag on the floor, you can now hang it up on there, or your wife's purse if she doesn't want to lay it on the floor of the car. Just hang it on the hook. You can put them on any of the headrests in the car. They'll fit any of the headrests. They're universal, and it makes it really easy to put things on so they're not on the ground. They're easier to get off. You know, you don't have to go searching for the handles of your grocery bag when you go to unload things out of the car. And they're super strong. You could put a whole bunch of bags on here and it would hold it. And they're like a durable plastic, but they have a coating on them, so you don't have to worry about them marking up your seats or breaking, because they're pretty strong, but they're also not metal, so they're not going to scratch things or ruin your leather seats. Nice, solid design, and definitely good quality. Definitely a great product. Add it to your vehicle. Will add some organization and keep things a little tidier. So make sure you check them out.